Good morning and welcome to this week's questions and answers session. Today I'm joined by one of our web development team members, Paul Whelan, and we're going to be discussing some of the important factors to consider when launching a new website project. Web design and development is one of our core service offerings here at Morla Communications, and Paul works closely with our clients when designing their websites. So Paul, what would you say are the most important considerations for a business when they're designing a website, prior to designing a website?
Have a goal in mind, what it is you want people to do when they land on your website's homepage. Do you want them to buy a product, read about your service, book a consultation, or simply read about your business? Whatever that goal is, make sure to incorporate it into your content plan. Then I would say research. Have a look at what your competitors are doing, not just on a local level, but on a national or even international level. This will give you an idea of what's working for them and give you some inspiration for your own website. Content. If you are not employing a copywriter, start by organizing your content, even if it's just some bullet points on a page to get you started, or if your website is going to be very visual, consider the type of photographs you will use. Maybe you can get in touch with a photographer to arrange the product shots. Remember, the content is key, and without it, you have nothing to add to your website. So then the final one, and it's one that can be overlooked, is time. Make sure that you have enough time to do it properly. If your busiest time of the year is summer, don't start the web development process in May. You will be required to interact with your agency to review and approve different sections throughout the entire process. So give it the time it deserves to get it right.
Thanks, Paul. Some great advice there. And if there are any topics you would like us to discuss, just pop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you at the same time next week. Thank you.